subscribe with notifications on.
Some of the foreigners come in South Africa, even if you go to any shop, any house shop, you will see the colored shop, even the black people that are closing the shops. Why? Because the foreigners ask less price than the people must ask.
But you know what? My main concern is one. I've been going around. I've seen in all the streets, in all the places, the location, only foreigners like Somalians, they own shops and stuff like that. Why don't we own the shops? Why don't we own?
Before the foreigners come in South Africa, how many people did have shops? Come and check that also.
There were few.
There are plenty of people that was having shops
Yeah.
before the foreigners come to South Africa.
Yeah.
The moment the foreigners come in South Africa, then the people close the shops. Why?
Because, you know what I'm thinking? Through my experience is that as South African, once they start a small business, they involve business with pleasure. You will have your money that you are actually gaining on a daily basis, you are giving to the girls.
And we have to pay here.
Exactly.
We work all day, it's R1.
You see?
R1, I have to pay a South African guy 300 rand.
For what?
For protecting order. They take it every month.
So, are you saying you are paying 300 rand every month?
Every month.
What is that for? What is that money for?
They say we are foreigners for protection order, but they don't protect
For protecting? Who do you pay the money to?
They come, the guys with guns.
So they are saying you must pay in order for them to protect you.
Yes.
But that's being criminal. I mean that's fraud. It's like they're taking your money. They're taking you for granted.
But we don't have a choice. We have to pay. Like you see, we open a shop.
Yeah.
You know, it's our creative. When we come to South Africa, people know to buy ShopRite, Checkers, what.
Wow.
We're creative to make a small shop. Now they want to copy.
They say you must pay.
You
Let
see,
me ask.
if we go to work, we value our work.
Exactly.
Because we've got kids.
Exactly.
And our family at home.
And guys, look at what she's doing. She's selling such a nice, Mama Nina and all those type of things. She's so creative, guys. Why can't we do the same?
If I find work, I don't even skip one day. I work hard because I know my people want things.
Exactly.
Not when I get my money, I go drink at 5 days not at work. No, if I find work, I keep it hard and I'll never. Even one day not to go to work. I'll wake up, go to work, catch my time.
Exactly.
Weekend I bribe this one.
So are you here every day, my sister? Do you come every day?
Yes.
So how often does these guys come to ask you guys to
Every month.
Every month?
Yeah,
So you
every
pay
month.
once?
Yeah, every 5, 6 we pay 300.
Wow, but no, the South Africans are very wrong, guys. Hey guys, do you also pay the 300 rand that this guy is saying? Do you also pay? She just told me now that you guys are paying 300 rand, for protection. Is it true?
We just heard about it. I wasn't here today.
Oh, you are not here when? But so far, do you guys pay the 300 rand for protection?
I don't know if my guys were here and this day. I never heard about it yet.
Wow. It's so hard, guys. Hey, Machita. Oh, grand face. Yeah, no, I can see these guys are running away. They're running away. But guys, it's so nice. To be honest with you, it will be nice. But this guy is a South African. You're a South African. That's why you are hustling, my man. And I love it because look at you what you're doing. I love it. Keep it up that way, my brother, man. Because you know what? South Africans cannot do what you guys are doing here. And they will complain and say you guys are taking their jobs. But while they can't do it, what do you think is the problem? Why are they doing this? Why can't they do what you guys are doing? My man, these guys are hustling for it. Mara bethu abantu bakwazi kwenza le nto. Why man? It's jealous. You're right, Ibrahim. This guy, you see, what he's saying, he's right. He's right. I support you, my man. What is jealousy? It's true. My brother, how are you?
No weapon formed against you shall ever prosper in Jesus' name. Okay? Nice to meet you, sir. I really appreciate your time. Take care.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, thank you. Baby, you know what I
want to know more of it. Foreigners safe in South Africa according to your view, to your opinion?
Everyone is not safe.
It's not safe.
Yeah. Not safe.
Even a South African, you don't feel safe sometimes because you know anything can happen.
Hello.
You are here running a small business. You know that anything can happen, but you are talking in a lot that you are safe. No weapon formed against you shall ever prosper. Right? So, are you a South African or you coming from other African countries? You're not a South African. Where are you from? From Zimbabwe also.
That's why he's hustling. You can see.
You look South African. I thought you were gonna
me too. I thought he was a South African. Me too. Ask him. The first question I said to you, what did I say to you? I said you're a South African, right?
You've been here for long, man.
Yeah, 17 years.
That's why
you adopted South African blood. That's why.
You are what?
My brother, how are you? I want to know here from you. Are foreigners safe in South Africa? I know. I'm asking. Are they safe in South Africa?
Sorry?
Foreigners, are they safe in South Africa?
No, it's not safe.
They're not safe. Why do you think they're not safe?
For what is the problem for government and Home Affairs?
Okay.
Home Affairs don't want to help the foreigner for the paper.
Yeah, but no, it's not all about that. What I'm saying is that I want to know from you, based on, since you came to South Africa, how many years have you been in South Africa now?
Me? 19 years now.
19 years?
Yes.
So you see, 19 years, I want to know from your experience, how were you treated? Are you being treated very well in South Africa, or are they abusing you guys?
No, me for myself, you know, people treat me cat. Everything for me, for myself is alright. I'm work about for other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are saying for you, you know, you feel safe in South Africa.
Yeah.
So are you encouraging that other African guys from Nigeria, from Congo, from Malawi, from Mozambique, from Zambia, they can come to South Africa because South Africa is a free country?
South Africa is a free country because.
Perfect, my man. Perfect. And you guys are living wonderful life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, my man. Thank you so much. My brother, I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, my man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, today, guys, it's Bible King. It's Bible King.
You are paying rent. That's good. But keep hustling. You'll be fine. You'll be strong. Stay strong in the mighty name of Jesus. Okay? Take care.
Hola, bravo, hola. Baby, you know what I hear? I hear it here. Listen. I hear it here. Listen here. I hear this lady just told me a story. She's saying the South African people, every month there are actually some guys who comes here and ask them to pay for protection. They are paying 300 rand for being on the street.
Guys, like random guys?
Yeah, there's some guys, they have to pay each and every month for protection.
I guess it's guys or less.
And for protection, for what protection? Because these guys are not being protected.
Where
are they now? Because of now. Exactly. Yeah, these are South Africans who are taking advantage of foreigners. You understand? They are saying, because these people, they are hustling.
And you are watching this video, just know about Usile Uyagay.
No, it's not right, guys. It's not right. You must stop treating our own African brothers and sisters badly. These people do not steal from anyone. These people, they wake up in the morning, they hustle for themselves to put food on their table.
Exactly.
But we as South Africans want to come and abuse them. Man, come on, this is not right. No, this is not right, really. She just told me, so I was like, what?
You must never pay any cent. If they come again, you'll say, pay. Tell them I'm not going to pay even a cent.
You are not dead, my sister, because they'll be holding a real gun.
A real gun?
Yes.
So you better to pay than to leave your kids because we are working for our kids.
Are you
My
serious?
mother, yeah. So it's better to pay, but
Yo.
it's painful because